Welcome to Royal Caribbean's Navigators of the Seas interior room tour of 8637. This interior room is currently set up with two twin beds, but this can be put together for a king size bed. Each side has their own lights. There's even like a little spotlight for you for reading. Nightstands, which these do go to the other side if it's made into the king size bed. You have storage space. There is a safe in here. It's a small safe. The TV will swivel towards the beds. And then under here is a cooler. That does keep things pretty cool, but it's not a refrigerator. There's drawers, which include your blow dryer. I love these little things behind, next to the mirror, have little cubbies for more storage. Has 2 American outlets, 1 European. There is more drawers on both sides, including up under here too. It's a good spot for putting on your makeup, doing your hair. Closet space has shelving along one side of it. They give you hangers. If you need more, just ask. They'll bring you more hangers. There's the bathroom. This bathroom does have the capsule, so you get the shower doors. There is some more storage in the bathroom behind this mirror. There is no outlet in the bathroom. Thanks for coming on our tour of Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas, room 8637.